Let us discuss about this topic, signed binary numbers. In the signed binary numbers, generally they represent the positive unsigned number without any sign indications and negative numbers with minus negative sign before them. But these are not applicable for computing in the digital system like computers, as the data is represented in binary number system. So to represent the sign, a special notation is required. First we'll see about this positive signed binary numbers. In these positive signed binary numbers, the binary numbers having their MSB, that is most significant bit 0, are called positive signed binary numbers. So here this positive signed binary numbers are highlighted in this diagram, and also the next one is negative signed binary numbers. The negative signed binary numbers means the binary numbers having their most significant bit 1 are called negative signed binary numbers. Also, the negative number, its equivalent, binary equivalent is highlighted in this. Next, for example, for a 5-bit signed binary number, including 4 magnitude bits and 1 sign bit. The range will be like this, that is minus 115 to plus 15. And then unsigned 8-bit binary numbers will have a range from 0 to 255. That is, the 8-bit signed binary number will have a maximum and minimum values as shown below. That is, the maximum positive number is plus 127. The maximum negative number is minus 127. So, as we can't give positive or negative sides to the digital system, this should be represented in some other ways. There are 3 ways to represent the negative number within the computer. They are signed magnitude representation, 1's complement representation, and also 2's complement representation. Signed magnitude representation. The binary numbers which can be identified by their most significant bit, whether they are positive or negative, are called signed binary numbers. Here there is an example for this signed binary numbers, and this is the simplest way of representing the both positive and negative numbers in binary system. In the signed magnitude representation, the positive number is represented with 0 at its most significant bit, and negative number is represented with 1 at its most significant bit. Here there is an example for this. So the signed magnitude representation is shown by means of an example. So the next one is 1's complement of a signed binary number. The 1's complement is another way of feeding the negative binary number to the computer. In 1's complement method, the positive numbers are unchanged, but the negative numbers are represented by taking complement of unsigned positive number. The positive number always starts with 0 at its most significant bit, while a negative number starts with 1 at its most significant bit. So the 1's complement of a number is created by replacing all zeros with 1's and all 1's with zeros. Here there is an example for this 1's complement of a signed binary number. For example, suppose if the binary number is this 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, then the 1's complement is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So that is just replacing all zeros with ones and all ones with the zeros. Ones complement of a binary number. Like that, that is how this decimal number is to be converted into this ones complement representation means first this decimal number category is converted into a binary form. That is, in an 8-bit notation, it is represented like this, and it is represented in ones complement. That is, this zeros are converted into 1 and ones are converted into zeros. Like that form, there are some more examples that are given. And also the ones complement using converters. The simplest way of finding the ones complement of a required number for digital electronic is to make use of inverters. The name implies an inverter is a device which generates the complement of its input. So the inverters are connected in parallel to get a ones complement of its input binary number. Also, the mathematical operations that are performed on binary number is called binary arithmetic. We can add or subtract any positive or negative number in many ways, like a plus b, a plus minus b, or minus of b plus a, like that. So the mathematical operations are performed on binary numbers is called binary arithmetic. Next, addition of signed binary numbers. This binary addition is also the same rules as normal addition. But here, the only exception is that the mathematical operation will be performed between only two digits, 0 and 1. That is, always 1 is greater than 0. Okay, there is an example for this, and also there is a table given below which shows the rules for this binary addition. That is, when we are adding 0 plus 0, the sum is 0 and carry 0, and 0 plus 1, that is, its sum is 1 and the carry is 0, and for 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0, and for 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. And the next, subtraction using ones complement. To subtract a number from another binary number, first it has to be converted into its ones complement. There are three possible cases for subtracting the negative numbers by using the ones complement. There, the negative numbers is, the first case is negative number smaller than positive number. We know, here there is an example, 28 and 15, minus 15. We know that 28 is representing binary number system like this, and 15 is representing the binary number system like this. So the ones complement of this 15 is this, and the 13 is this. So in this case too, the negative number is greater than the positive number. So we know 28 is representing binary number system like this, and 15 is representing the binary number system like this. So ones complement of 28 is this one, that is, can be represented like this. And also the case 2, both are negative. We know 28 is representing binary number system like this. So the ones complement of 28 is this one, and 15 is representing binary number system like this. So the ones complement of this like this. And also the next one is 2's complement of a binary number. 2's complement of a binary number means the process of finding is similar to the process of calculating the 10's complement of decimal numbers. So to find the 2's complement of a binary number, first we should find the ones complement of that number. Later 1 is added to the ones complement. So the 2's complement representation of positive number is same as representation of ones complement signed magnitude representation. For finding these 2's complement involve two steps. Is to find the ones complement, then we have to add 1 to the unsigned number result. Yes, here there is an example for this. First, that 3 is converted into binary, and in 8-bit notation this has to be represented like this, and the minus 33 is represented 1's complement like this, adding 1 to the least significantly, the result is this one. Therefore, the 2's complement of this number, given number minus 33 is this one. Like that, there are also some more examples. So, these are about this sign binary numbers. Thank you.